A massive new leak has sent shockwaves through the drone community, revealing what appears to be our clearest look yet at the upcoming DJI Avata 360. Unlike the countless AI-generated mock-ups that have been circulating online, this one feels authentic. The photo of the retail box shows the kind of clean, minimalist design that DJI is known for: sleek white packaging, precise typography, and neatly arranged product details. Drone enthusiasts and industry insiders are convinced it's real, not just because of how polished it looks, but because it perfectly aligns with DJI's consistent design language. This leak isn't just another rumor, it's a strong sign that the Avata 360 is very real and very close to launch. What's making this even more exciting is the timing. DJI is fresh off the success of the Avata 2, a drone that completely reshaped what pilots expected from FPV flying. The company knows the demand for creative drones is skyrocketing, and now, as Insta360 makes waves with its own anti-gravity 1 drone announced in early December, the stage is perfectly set for DJI's next big move. With competition heating up, DJI seems ready to fire back, and the Avata 360 could be the drone that changes everything. The leaked box reportedly belongs to the Fly More Combo Edition, which already tells us plenty. The design highlights 3 batteries included in the package, a huge upgrade that will thrill creators who hate the endless cycle of flying, landing, and recharging. The labeling shows multiple languages, including traditional Chinese, hinting at a global release plan right out of the gate. And it's not just the box design that's exciting. People have carefully decoded what's inside. The combo is expected to include the drone itself, the new Goggles 3 headset, their C-Motion 3 controller, 3 intelligent flight batteries, a charging hub, spare propellers, and a travel case. Everything fits neatly into a surprisingly compact box, suggesting this drone is as travel-friendly as it is powerful. The rumored specs are where things get truly jaw-dropping. The Avata 360 is said to feature dual 1.3-inch image sensors capable of shooting native 8K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second. That means you can capture an entire scene in every direction, and later reframe it however you like. Even better, users can switch smoothly between full 360 spherical capture and classic FPV forward-facing mode, a feature no Avata has ever offered. This kind of versatility makes it a dream for both filmmakers and adventure pilots who crave freedom in the air. The new Goggles 3 are expected to be just as revolutionary. They'll reportedly feature DJI's Avata transmission system with a 13-kilometer range and ultra-low latency video, providing an incredibly immersive experience. Adjustable diopters and improved comfort mean longer, more enjoyable flight sessions. Meanwhile, their C-Motion 3 controller will continue DJI's trend of intuitive, gesture-based flying that feels natural, even for beginners. Power is another major talking point. Each of the 3 included batteries is said to deliver around 38.67 watt-hours of capacity, a solid 20% increase over the Avata 2's batteries. This means more airtime, fewer pit stops, and longer creative sessions before you even think about recharging. Combine that with DJI's legendary flight efficiency, and you've got a serious workhorse for both professionals and hobbyists. And then there's the price. The leak suggests a tag of 6,899 yuan, which converts to about 975 United States dollars. For a drone with this kind of hybrid capability combining 8K 360 capture with full FPV functionality, that's shockingly reasonable. It signals DJI's intent to make high-end creative flying accessible to a much larger audience, positioning the Avata 360 as both a professional tool and a consumer dream. Design-wise, the Avata 360 looks like a sleek evolution of its predecessor. Early prototype photos showed a thinner and longer body, with a noticeably lower profile that sits almost level with the rotors, likely a deliberate choice to keep the drone's body from appearing in 360 footage. The elongated rear end gives it better balance, and the light gray color scheme matches DJI's modern aesthetic. Interestingly, the first leaked prototypes didn't show any obvious 360 lens on top, sparking speculation that DJI was deliberately hiding its biggest feature. Later leaks, however, revealed a small bump on the top shell believed to house the hidden upper lens, confirming what many suspected: the Avata 360 is indeed a true 360 drone. What's fascinating is how DJI seems to be merging to completely different worlds, the thrilling control of FPV flying and the all-seeing perspective of 360 capture. For the first time, a DJI drone will reportedly let pilots switch between a full 360-degree recording mode and a focused FPV camera mode. The key to this duality lies in its clever rotating gimbal mechanism. During FPV mode, the bottom lens is flipped upward into a protective position, making the drone look like a traditional Avata. In 360 mode, both lenses point outward, one up, one down, capturing everything around it seamlessly. Under the hood, each lens is said to offer a 180-degree field of view with 4K resolution, stitched together using AI to create pristine 8K 360 footage. In FPV mode, users could get 5K video at 60 frames per second and stills up to 30 megapixels. In 360 mode, it might even shoot massive 120 megapixel panoramic photos. To handle this enormous data flow, DJI is rumored to have boosted onboard storage to 128 gigabytes, while still allowing microSD expansion. Flight time is expected to reach about 25 minutes, an impressive number given the processing power required for dual camera recording. All these specs sound incredible, but context makes them even more intriguing. DJI's upcoming drone will arrive right as Insta360's anti-gravity One has started capturing global attention. The One has gone viral for a simple reason: it redefines what a drone can be. Instead of worrying about angles, framing, or gimbal movement, you just fly. It records everything around you, and later, during editing, you pick any viewpoint you want. For creators, this is liberating. There's no stress, no missed shots, just pure creative freedom. Pilots describe the experience as effortless, almost like exploring rather than piloting. Beginners love it because it's stable and intuitive, while seasoned FPV flyers are amazed at how it delivers immersive, cinematic visuals without demanding FPV skill. Travel vloggers adore it too, since one flight gives them multiple perspectives: horizontal, vertical, forward, backward, all perfectly framed during editing. It's this sense of freedom that's making the anti-gravity One feel like a generational leap. Still, it has its drawbacks. Battery life is fairly average, especially compared to DJI's mini drones, and 8K 360 footage requires serious computing power to edit. Stitching can sometimes leave small visual seams, particularly on reflective surfaces or fine details like trees and waves. And for those who crave the cinematic depth and precision DJI is famous for, the One's output might feel a bit flat straight out of the camera. That's where the Avata 360 could truly shine. DJI's decades of refinement in flight control, stability, and image processing might allow it to combine the creative freedom of 360 capture with the performance and polish of an FPV powerhouse. It's not just about matching the competition, it's about redefining what's possible in aerial cinematography. The two drones represent two very different philosophies. The anti-gravity One is a 360 camera that happens to fly it smooth, simple, and almost automatic. The Avata 360, by contrast, appears to be an FPV drone that happens to shoot 360. It's fast, responsive, and built for pilots who love control. The One is all about freeing creators from technical limits, while the Avata 360 seems designed for those who want both creativity and command. This clash of ideas might mark a turning point for the drone industry. For years, drones were about mastering piloting skills and perfecting camera moves. Now, the focus is shifting toward capturing experiences with freedom and spontaneity. The rise of 360 flying cameras represents a new generation of tools where you don't just record the world, you record everything around you, then decide how to tell the story afterward. For those who crave ultimate ease, the anti-gravity One is already rewriting the rules. But for creators who want adrenaline, precision, and DJI's unmistakable flight DNA, waiting for the Avata 360 might be the smarter move. With its rumored dual-lens design, extended flight time, powerful AI processing, and immersive FPV capability, DJI could be on the verge of unveiling something truly game-changing. As 2026 approaches, one thing is clear: the next great evolution of drone filmmaking is about to take off. Whether it's the effortless creativity of the anti-gravity one or the raw performance of the DJI Avata 360, the skies are about to become the most exciting creative space we've ever seen.